People are becoming more environmentally conscious nowadays, hence there's been a rise in the use of clean, renewable energy sources like solar PV systems. One of the important factors that solar PV system users need to consider is a reliable storage system that can be used when a power outage occurs. Ecactus addresses this by offering the AGAVE-SH-PLUS, a powerful, durable and easy to install energy storage product. The AGAVE-SH-PLUS series is a hybrid battery energy storage system that can be used by homeowners. It fully meets the needs of daily charging with its high battery capacity of up to 26.4 kilowatt hours and maximum MPPT efficiency of 99.9%. It also has a switching time of less than 10 milliseconds, allowing the system to be uninterrupted even during blackouts. Moreover, its high depth of discharge value of 92% means that consumers are guaranteed to be able to use most of the energy being stored in the battery. The product is sturdy and has a protection rating of IP65. This means that it is protected against dust and water exposure. Wide operating temperature range from -20 to +60 degrees Celsius allows the system to function well even in extremely hot or cold conditions. Lastly, helpful features such as the LED display and RS485 standard communication interface allow for convenient monitoring.